Welcome to the next episode in our Simple Books Payroll Getting Started guide. In the last episode, we had a look at adding the various records under the maintenance section, but now we need to have a look at the timesheets and what you do on payday. So with timesheets, you go in and you select the pay period that you wish to enter details for. Click on the OK button and it will bring up a list of all of the employees you've got, but you can enter their times by clicking on that button there. Now, because it is a monthly one, you'll see that there are dates all the way to the end of July, and what you have to do is just put in whichever field that you wish. So perhaps on a Friday we'll say that this person has done 40 hours and it's calculated their gross, and then every Friday we'll put another 40 in that one, and in this one 40, and in this one 40 as well. And that's the last Friday in this section here. Now, for each one of those 40 hours, this is at the ordinary rate. Now, if you wish to add any overtime amounts, you can put, say, okay, for that week we've done 10 extra hours, but it's not at the ordinary $35 an hour, it is at time and a half. And it's recalculated all of that information there. So it is simple as doing that, and remember that it has your ordinary hours, time and a half, double time, leave, termination, leave without pay, and leave loading. But time and a half is what we need here. So once we've got that, that was for Brian Jones, their employee. We click on Save Changes, and now all of that information is recorded in that section there. Now under Payday, if we go to Payday, again we select the pay period that we wish to look at, and we can see there is our Brian Jones. And there is his gross pay. It's calculated the amount of tax to be deducted and the amount of super that's accrued to him. It has also added the $100 car allowance that he's entitled to, and has given a net pay figure at the end. Now you can print out pay slips. And there's Brian Jones and all the details of his pay for the month, and for some reason it hasn't come up with the net pay on there. Not sure quite why, but it will do. And if we go back to our payday, you can print a bank summary, which basically would have his BSB number and account number. Now remember, we didn't put that in before, but we can certainly put that in now, and then that would allow you to say, right, that's got to go to that account. And finally, send to the ATO. When you click on that button, it asks you, are you sure you wish to send the information to the tax office? And if you click on OK, it will create all of the information the tax office requires and send it to them. But if you don't, you can click on Cancel. That is this tutorial finished. Thank you.